Here's a kitchen staple that every home chef or neat freak like me will appreciate. The OXO or OXO Good Grips Dried Goods Storage Containers. First thing I noticed when I saw these in store was the quality of the plastic. These aren't thin, flippy containers that warp or feel fragile. The material is crisp, rigid, and sturdy, so it holds its shape even when they're full of flour, pasta, grains, nuts, lentils, or seeds. That means no collapsing walls or accidental spills when you reach in. Second is the closure system, which honestly is the main reason why these feel premium, I think. These OXO lids use a lock and seal mechanism with a silicone gasket that gives a satisfying click every time. It creates an airtight seal that keeps your ingredients fresh and dry. No stale cereal, no clumpy sugar, no mystery flour lumps from humidity. It's quick to open with one hand, easy to close, and doesn't feel like you're wrestling with it. What I really appreciate about the bigger units here is it's got a spoon to dig things out. That's awesome. But sadly, I don't have the taller unit, which can hold spaghetti. This was such a major upgrade for my pantry, and I can't go back to cheap storage now. Because I've bought these individually or in small sets and mixed sizes over time, I can confidently say how great they are for stacking and organizing. They nest neatly on shelves or in cabinets, and the uniform shape means you're not wasting any space. I have two older models that have thicker lids. They've since been streamlined a bit. You can build a customized set on your pantry shelf that looks clean, organized, and intentional. Solid materials, excellent airtight closures, and superb stackability. Recommend.